Fixing game crashes on Windows. A game that crashes to the desktop with no explanation is maddening, but the causes fall into a short list. Here's how to work through them in order of likelihood. Start with the graphics driver, since it's responsible for more crashes than anything else. Install the latest version, and if the crashes began after an update, roll back instead. Next, verify the game files, which every major launcher offers, because corrupted downloads are common and this fixes them without reinstalling. Then check temperatures during play, because thermal shutdowns look exactly like crashes. Then memory, especially if you enabled a performance profile in firmware, since unstable memory crashes games long before it affects anything else. Test it. Next, remove overlays one at a time, because capture software, launcher overlays, and monitoring tools frequently conflict. Check your mods if you use any, and read the crash entry in Event Viewer, which names the faulting component.